Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to wipe your Casio Illuminator Step Tracker watch back to factory default. So maybe you had this watch, it wasn't for you, maybe you're selling it to somebody else or you just bought it from somebody else and you want to start over clean. How would we do that? So it's pretty simple on this watch, it's kind of hidden. What this is going to do is it's going to wipe out all of your settings, put it back to factory default from Casio. It'll erase your stopwatch settings, it'll erase your timer settings, it'll erase your alarm settings, and it will erase your step count so you will no longer have any of your step information on here. From the main timekeeping mode, if you're not sure if you're in timekeeping, in any mode you can press and hold the bottom left button. It'll always take you back to your timekeeping mode. We are going to start by pressing and holding the top left button on the watch. When you press and hold it, you'll see set blinking, and this will take you into your settings of the watch. So normally this is where you would go to change your time or your power saving mode or something like that. We're simply going to press the mode button 2 times. You should end up on a screen that has your seconds indicator blinking here. That's the screen you need to get on to reset your watch. When your seconds are blinking, you are going to press and hold this middle button. It's the lap reset button on the watch. You're going to press and hold it and just keep holding it. You'll see it says CLR blinking. Keep holding it. And it said reset all. Put me back, you'll notice that my time adjusted and it's back to that blinking indicator. At this point, all I have to do is press the top right button and my watch has been totally erased and set back to factory default. The only other thing you need to do here is if you did have it connected to your cell phone, you'd want to get on your cell phone, go delete the Bluetooth information. You might want to remove the watch from the Casio Watches app. Depending on what you're doing with the watch. But that's how you reset it to factory default. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.